And it's the same story with Mike's bench press. But here is where Mike's body starts to work against him. This motion technically should be able to move the most amount of weight because you're engaging your back, your arms, and your legs. Here, Mike has to start bent over the bar, which makes it harder to initiate the lift and requires a bigger surge of effort at the beginning. When it comes to the deadlift, a short torso can handle a much heavier load. And that's why Stuart Jamieson has been called the most anatomically perfect deadlifter of all time. The Scottish athlete was born with spina bifida, a condition in which his spinal cord failed to develop properly. And he's missing half a rib cage. But the length of his limbs, in comparison with his short torso, gives him the perfect leverages for deadlifting.